We have Matt Kavanaugh, a CMZ trader, bringing us the final trade of the day. We have a couple of big stocks to take a look at. Pinterest and Nvidia both reported earnings. Let's start with Nvidia. Great news, looking very strong here.
Yeah, you know, they had lowered expectations, and that always helps what the expectations are relative to what they deliver. So the stock really had a nice bounce. It looks like they're working through some of their inventory stuff, back up to like almost 170 level. However, still over $100+ off its October high.
Wow.
So if you have faith in this company, you think Bitcoin's coming back and gaming will be back, maybe it's a good time to buy it.
So as far as this stock today, it is in the chip sector, and the chips have been very sensitive to the China trade war. So how does this affect the trading day today, do you think?
Well, I mean, you know, everything is moving off of headlines. It helps, obviously, that their earnings came out and they did well, and all that is a big factor. But if there's fresh news going forward, you're going to see the stock react. So I think for here, people are comfortable with it, but that could change at any point in time.
Let's take a look at Pinterest. Now, this is the first time Pinterest has reported earnings since its IPO recently. And the news was not so great. In fact, that stock plunged.
Plunged, yeah. A big miss. They lost 33 cents a share because they were only supposed to lose 11. And we talked about these companies that are not making money last week.
Right.
And here's another one of these unicorns. You know, they were, when they went IPO at about $19 a share, ran all the way up to plus 30. And here we are. They missed. Doesn't look so great. The stock got pounded below 25 in the after hours. So it should be interesting to see if some dip buyers emerge. I have a feeling they will, but still too expensive for me.
Too expensive for you. Now, the good point on the Pinterest news was that they're doing very well with international. In fact, they said that as a growing area, and it was strong.
Yeah, their user growth is strong. It's a great website. It just, I mean, it's still a $16 billion company. And I think that the users are worth something, but how do they escape this, and what's their path to profitability? That's really the answer.
Might be closer to 14 billion by the time we get going today if the selling pressure continues. What do you think about the overall market?
It's interesting because we've had a nice little relief rally back, and the VIX or the vol has really come screaming in.
Right.
Personally, I think it's possibly a head fake. I like to be long convexity here, or long options, so that I'll get longer on the way up or shorter on the way down. But I don't think that this is over. I think that the Chinese are probably going to dig their feet in, and there's possibility of more fireworks here. So be nimble and be quick.
But you are bracing for the downside potential.
Yeah, I'm looking for ways to put it on. I'm looking for ways to have exposure that if we do sell off, you know, it'll make money. But this market has been unpredictable, and that's nothing new in the last 10 years.
Very true. Thanks for coming on the show today. Have a good trading day.
Thank you.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.